In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a chat in Microsoft Teams. Forwarding a message is really handy when you want to share part of a conversation with someone else without having to copy and paste, or when you need to quickly pass along important information to another person or group. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps so you can do it confidently every time. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Teams and you're on the Chats tab or in the conversation where the message you want to forward is located. Take a moment to scroll and find the specific message you want to share. It could be a text message, a link, or a piece of information that someone needs to see. Once you've found that message, move your mouse over it. On a computer, you'll want to right-click directly on the message bubble. This right-click is what opens up the options menu for that specific message. If you're using a touch device, you can usually press and hold on the message to bring up the same menu. The key here is to make sure you're clicking on the individual message, not just anywhere in the chat window. After you right-click or long press, you'll see a small menu appear with several options related to that message. Look carefully through that menu and find the option labeled Forward. When you see Forward, go ahead and click it. The moment you click Forward, Teams will prepare that message to be sent to another chat or channel. Typically, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to send it. At this point, you can search for a person, a group chat, or a team channel depending on what's available in your organization. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the correct recipient or destination, especially if you're dealing with sensitive or important information. Before you finally send it, you often have the chance to add your own comment above or below the forwarded message. This is a good place to give context, such as why you're forwarding it, or what you'd like the recipient to do with the information. When everything looks good, send the message